Today I'm going to show you how to create a Flippity Bingo game for your class. And you would do that by going to www.flippity.net. So you will scroll down and you can pretty much do any game you want and customize it. But today I'm going to do the bingo, which is right here. You have the demo, you have the instructions on how to create this game, and you have the template. Today I'm just going to go ahead and go into the template because I will be walking you through step by step on how to create the game. So you're going to click on template. You're going to click on make a copy. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rename the board to nouns because this is a common nouns bingo game. So I'm going to do like 25 common nouns. So I'm going to go up here to rename and it'll be highlighted down here. You can see it's highlighted and you just change it, type in what you want to name it, and then hit the enter button and that'll save it. And you only need a minimum of 25 words for the bingo game. And as you can see here, they have 51 words right here. But I don't need all 51 words. I'm only going to do 25 common nouns. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start up here and I'm going to rename. By highlighting that, I'm just going to change the name all the way down until I get all the nouns that I want to use. Okay, I've got all of the words that I want to use. So I'm going to go after fact and I'm going to delete everything after number 26. I'm going to delete those. And I know I said you could have 25, and this is 26. But as you can see, terms up here takes up the number one spot. So there are really only 25 words. And then these alternate terms, I do not need. So I'm going to delete these also. You just highlight and delete. And now what you want to do is you want to go to File and you want to go to Publish to Web. As you can see, you want to publish the entire document. You have other things right here, but you want the entire document and you want it to the web and you want the link. So you're going to hit Publish. You're not going to change anything there. Are you sure you want to publish this selection? Okay. And it will give you a link. So you will close out of that. So you will go down here to Get Link at the bottom of the screen. And you will just hover over this HTTPS Flippity, and you will see this link pop up right there with the little world beside it. You will click on this and you will see your list of all the terms that you have right here. And then if you want to print, you can print 20 boards, and you can choose whether you want the free space or not. And I always choose the free space. And then right here, you could hit play, and you hit this arrow, and it'll actually show you what your bingo board will look like. And you can play that online. So that is how you create a Flippity bingo board game that you can use in your classroom with your students. Thank you. Have a good day.